What's breaking Android here? So, more recently, many Huawei phones started showing Google apps as a virus. Well, I'm talking about those older Huawei phones which basically sports Google mobile services. And for those who are new to this matter, well, Google stopped certifying new Huawei smartphones after the US ban on the Chinese company back in 2019. Thereafter, all of the phones only run Huawei mobile services and its native mobile apps. But still, many of the previously launched devices, including the prominent flagship, the Huawei P30 Pro and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, also have certified experience. The Google app issue that I'm talking about has appeared in almost all Google mobile services supported Huawei phones. Anyway, I haven't made a video regarding it because it didn't appear in my Huawei P30 Pro phone, but I am seeing many Huawei smartphone users in the global market begin to reporting this issue where their phones are showing all Google apps as a virus, and people with these phones started panicking. Even some rumors are appearing that Google is removing Google Mobile Services certificate from all old Huawei devices. Well, here comes the truth. First of all, you don't need to be panicked, as Google is not removing Google Mobile Services certificate from old Huawei phones, and this is totally a false statement. Because Avast, which is the official partner of Huawei, which is basically an antivirus company, recently accepted that Google app virus issue in Huawei smartphones appeared with its mistake. The company said it has patched the problem which panicked Huawei users throughout the past week. In a press release, Avast wrote that its antivirus software development kit for Android was incorrectly flagging the Google app as a malware on Huawei phones, and that has been solved. So if you have Avast antivirus in your Huawei phone, just go ahead to the Play Store and update that application. It will automatically remove that problem of showing Google apps as a virus. So Google mobile services are not going anywhere because they are the part of the older Huawei phones. So you guys don't need to panic. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.